Greetings, everyone, Captain and fellow officers. I am Ridzuan, the officer on watch, and today I will provide a briefing regarding my vessel's specifications and the current cargo operations. So, we're going to start with Section A, Vessel Anatomy and Specifications. The vessel under my watch is MV Horizon Express, a container ship. A container ship is designed to transport standardized shipping containers efficiently across international trade routes. These vessels play a major role in global commerce by carrying manufactured goods, consumer products, machinery, food products, and many other types of cargo. Moving on to the next part, vessel specifications. The main specifications of the vessel are as follows. The vessel name is MV Horizon Express, and the vessel type is container ship. The length overall is 366 meters, and the beam end width is 51 meters. The draft is 15.5 meters, and for the gross tonnage, approximately around 115,000 gross tonnage. Cargo capacity is 15,000 TEUs, and the service speed around 22 knots. Now, I will explain the major parts of the vessel. Bridge. The bridge is the command and navigation center of the ship. This is where the master and navigation officers control the vessel. Equipment such as radar, ECDIS, GPS, AIS, gyro compass, and communication on systems are located here to ensure safe navigation. Forecastle. The forecastle is located at the forward section of the vessel. It contains the anchoring equipment, mooring winches, anchor chains, and bollards. This area is mainly used during anchoring and mooring operations. Moving on to the next part, the hull. The hull forms the main body of the vessel and provides buoyancy, allowing the ship to float safely. It also protects the cargo spaces and engine room while maintaining the vessel's structural strength. Superstructure. The superstructure is the section above the main deck that houses the accommodation, bridge, offices, galley, mess room, and recreational facilities for the crew. Ballast tanks. Ballast tanks are located inside the hull. They are filled with seawater or emptied to maintain the ship's stability, trim, and draft, especially when cargo loading is uneven or when sailing without cargo. Plimsoll line. The Plimsoll line, also known as the load line, is painted on both sides of the ship's hull, near the midship area. Its purpose is to indicate the maximum safe loading limit of the vessel under different water conditions, including tropical, summer, winter, freshwater, and tropical freshwater. This marking prevents overloading and ensures the vessel maintains sufficient freeboard for safe navigation. Classification Society. This vessel is classed by Lloyd's Register, known as LR. The Classification Society ensures that the ship is designed, constructed, and maintained according to international safety and engineering standards. Regular inspections and surveys are conducted to verify that the vessel remains seaworthy and complies with SOLAS, MARPOL, and other international regulations. Moving on to my next part, the Section B, Cargo Operations. I will now provide the current cargo status. Our vessel is currently loading various types of containerized, including electronics products, such as computers and mobile phones, automotive spare parts. There's also food products packed in dry containers, refrigerated cargo such as frozen seafood and chilled fruits transported inside reefer, textile and clothing products, industrial machinery, and manufacturing equipment. Each type of cargo is carefully planned and loaded according to the vessel's stowage plan to ensure stability, cargo safety, and efficient discharge at the destination port. Dangerous goods, if carried, are segregated and handled according to the International Maritime Dangerous Goods, known as IMDG code. The cargo measurement. Unlike bulk carriers that measure cargo in metric tons, Container ships measure cargo's capacity using TEU, which stands for 20-foot equivalent unit. One 20-foot container equals 1 TEU. A 40-foot container equals 2 TEUs. Our vessel has a maximum carrying capacity of approximately 15,000 TEUs, depending on cargo weight and stability requirements. For today's operation, the vessel is scheduled to load approximately 7,800 TEUs, including dry containers, refrigerated containers, and several hazardous cargo containers, stored according to IMDG requirements. The cargo loading operation is closely monitored by the deck officers, terminal operators, and stiff doors to ensure safety and efficiency throughout the operation. In conclusion, the MV Horizon Express is a modern container ship designed to transport thousands of containers safely across international waters. The vessel's major structural components, including the bridge, forecastle, hull, superstructure, and ballast tanks, work together to ensure safe navigation and efficient operations. The Plimsoll line helps prevent overloading, while Loads Register ensures the vessel complies with international safety standards. Finally, today's cargo operation involves loading approximately 7,800 TEUs of mixed containerized cargo, which is being handled according to international maritime regulations and safe cargo handling procedures. That concludes my Officer on Watch briefing. Thank you for your attention.